If you have a beehive in your backyard and want to harvest honey from it, we have all the information you need to know. Beekeeping has been around for centuries, but that doesn't mean the process has to be complicated. We'll show you the best methods and techniques that will make it easy to extract honey from honeycomb. Extracting honey from a honeycomb is not a complicated process, but it does take a few steps. First, you'll need to remove the wax capping from the honeycomb cells. This is the protective wax layer that seals in the honey and protects it from contamination. After the capping is removed, the next step is to spin the honeycomb in a honey extractor. A honey extractor is a special machine that uses centrifugal force to separate the honey from the comb. The honeycomb is placed in the extractor, and then the extractor is spun at a high speed. This spinning force causes the honey to separate from the comb and move to the edges of the extractor where it can be collected. Once the honey is extracted from the honeycomb, it needs to be stored. The best way to store honey is in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Honey can be stored in its raw form, or it can be filtered and processed. Once the honey is stored, it is ready to be used for cooking, baking, or simply enjoyed as a sweet treat. Extracting honey from a honeycomb has many benefits. Not only is it a natural, ethical way to acquire honey, but it's also a great way to support local bee populations. Plus, harvesting honey from a local source means that you know exactly where it's coming from and that it is free from any potentially harmful chemicals or additives.